Today we're taking a classic Sri Lankan street food favorite, KOTTU roti, and giving it an Aussie twist. Imagine the sizzling sounds of chopped roti, fragrant spices, and veggies coming together, but with a bold hit of smoked chorizo and that signature creamy Bega cheese. This fusion is the ultimate blend of Sri Lankan flavor with a dash of Aussie spirit. Let's get cooking. Follow closely as this dish is all about method and sequence. Let's first chop up the roti, and as for method, roll it up, cut strips and then small chunks. As we get into a sequence of finely chopped up veggies, one of my fondest memories of enjoying KOTTU in Sri Lanka was almost always after a late night out with friends. We would park outside these KOTTU shops and the runners will take your order and deliver the dish to the car. These were Sri Lanka's original drive-through restaurants. Next, the Aussie icons come into play. Smoked chorizo from Barossa for that flavorful kick. Bega colby cheese is a smooth textured and creamy mild cheese that is perfect for melting. Leftover chicken curry, deboned and diced. Let's chop up the chorizo and begin the cooking process. Now this is the fun part, so hang in there. Add the ginger and the curry leaves, then the onions, the carrot and the cabbage gets added and sauteed well. Let me know in the comments what you think about this fusion KOTTU and if you would give it a try. Now for that classic spice mix. Curry powder, pepper powder, cinnamon powder and chilli flakes. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now add the diced chicken with the remaining curry as well to enjoy the full impact of the flavors coming together. Create some space in the pan, add an egg and whisk it up well. Now let's add the chopped up roti and mix really well so the flavors can be locked in. The last ingredient of the main dish, the colby cheese, is added here. Fry an egg, which will be placed on top of a steaming bed of hot KOTTU, garnished with spring onions and parmesan cheese. Click here to see how to make the perfect dessert to enjoy with this dish.